Embedded questions are questions that are included inside statements or other questions. They are often used to sound polite or to express curiosity without asking a direct question. Embedded questions are found inside sentences with phrases like I wonder or do you know. The important thing is that the word order follows normal sentence order. The subject comes before the verb. When we embed questions, we change the word order to subject then verb, not the question form. For example, instead of asking where is the library, we say I wonder where the library is, or do you know where the library is? Direct questions use question word order, usually verb before subject. In embedded questions, the word order changes to subject before verb. For example, where is the station becomes can you tell me where the station is? Here are more examples. Direct question, how did you get here changes to I wonder how you got here. Yes or no question, will she come changes to do you know if she will come. Common question words used in embedded questions include what, where, when, and why. These words begin the embedded question, which follows the normal subject-verb order. Yes or no questions use words like if or whether in embedded questions. For example, is she coming changes to do you know if she is coming. The embedded question keeps the subject-verb order. Many embedded questions start with polite phrases such as do you know, I wonder, can you tell me, or I am not sure. These help soften the question and make it polite. Sometimes we use polite phrases like would you mind, could you please, I was wondering if, or do you happen to know to ask questions politely. These phrases make the question gentle and respectful. Change direct questions like where is the station to embedded questions. Do you know where the station is? Or does she like it to I wonder if she likes it? Remember, embedded questions always follow subject, then verb order.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.